West silence on Morsi's death bears its lies. Regime attacks kill 5 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Yemen rebels claims to kill 8 Saudi soldiers. Saudi Airlines alter flights to avoid Iran airspace. 30,000 Sudanese forces fighting in Yemen official. US unveils economic portion of Middle East peace plan. Cobb atom in Ethiopia's Amhara under control, PM. Ethiopia's army chief shot dead. Ex-defense minister claims win in Mauritanian election. Myanmar blocks internet access in northern Rakhine. Pakistan key to bringing peace in Afghanistan, ex-PM. Afghan politician attend conference hosted by Pakistan.